This Greenworks 24V Cordless Stick Vacuum delivers strong brushless suction that feels comparable to a full-size machine while staying surprisingly quiet. Its ultra-light design and swivel head make it easy to carry upstairs, maneuver around furniture, and clean for extended sessions without arm fatigue. The removable battery not only powers the vacuum for a solid cleaning session, but also doubles as a high-capacity power bank with modern USB-C charging for phones and tablets. A clear digital display and responsive touch controls let you check remaining runtime, switch power levels, and spot any issues at a glance while you clean. Bright built-in LED lights and the included specialized tools like the pet hairbrush and crevice attachment help pull dust and fur from dark corners, upholstery, and tight spaces. The wall mount with fast charger keeps the vacuum and accessories organized, quickly tops off the battery, and makes it convenient to grab for everyday touch-ups.